Hello. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. How are you today? So, I happy. Okay, give the training high five. Let's start. Okay, what is this? Family. What is this? Dad. Mom. Mommy. Brother. Sister. And this is the baby. Okay, now look here, my dear. This is Daddy, and this is Mommy. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? How about Mommy? Very good. Next, where is the baby? Brother. Sister. Very good. Okay, now let's sing. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. Where's Daddy? Wow, very good. And where is Daddy finger? Is this Daddy finger? No. Is this Daddy finger? Yes. Okay, now so is this your mommy? No. Is this your sister? No. Is this your brother? No. Is this your daddy? Is this daddy? Yes. Okay, next. Is this your sister? Is this your daddy? Is this your brother? Yes. Very good. Next. Is this your mommy? Is this your daddy? Is this your brother? Is this your sister? Yes, very good, high five. Very good. Now let's have your body parts, my dear. Okay, this is your head, eyes, and nose. Where is the nose? Where is the head? Head, very good. And where are the eyes? Where are the eyes here? Is this the eye? Where are the eyes? Yes, very good. Now let's have the mouth, ears, and shoulders. Where is the mouth? Where's the mouth? So, very good. Is this your mouth? No. Where is your mouth? Very good. Now, where are the shoulders? Shoulders. And where are the ear? So, ear. Where's the ear? Ear. Okay, now let's have, where are the fingers? No. Fingers. How about the tummy? No, this is the tummy matter. Okay, let's see. Head, shoulders, 1, 2, 3, go. So, head, shoulder. So, let's see. Oh, Candy. So, Candy. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. What's this? Eye and ear and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Uh-oh, goodbye. So, goodbye.